Indeed. Well, hold on. What's the first word I hear right here? What's up, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs. I'm back with another soca reaction for you guys. It's Thursday, so you know every Thursday we come up with a soca song for you. Now this week we have Nadia Batson song called Fatt. F-A with 2 T back at that. Fatt. Official music video. 2020 Soca HD. You understand me? Now let's see what's happening for this. I want to say a huge shout out to Maris. Let me get her name right. I ain't trying to spoil her name. Someone said on Instagram who sent me a whole lot of soca songs for me to react to. Like, she just sent me a whole heap of songs, so I'm have to find out a whole. You see me? Teresa Morris, big up yourself. You see me? She sent me a whole heap of songs, so most of them reactions are what me gonna do are from sheep on Instagram. So big up yourself. I know you're gonna watch it because I like the soca song them. Comment on this video to see your comment the next video that I post, and I'll post every single day on the channel, right? Yeah, let's get straight to this reaction this week. Wait, pause. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Indeed. Well, hold on. What's the first word I hear right here? Just the first word alone catch me area people. Then the beat got dropping. The song is a real soca song this week. You understand me? Last week, apparently I was learning that there's many different genres to the soca thing. You understand? But if I don't sound like this, me not call it soca. That's my point of view. Yeah, man. This is me. If you not get a vibe from it, me not call that soca. But what them call it? Me don't know. I don't think that's still that different. Make us see what I go on. What should I talk about? What the word does she pronounce? But no, you're not there. I can't for the song you're playing. Yeah, them say Fatt. Alright, go on. They will trouble the nose, and they will trouble the other people. Well, lad. You know, say look. When you see it look dark, I saw me I see it dark. So me no want to see it so take a break right there, so. Go on. And all what go on, you know. She thick, you know, she not fat. You understand me? All what go on now. She have the biggest bumper behind her, you know. But you know, trash. All what go on, you know. All what go on.
Man, them say that you getting take. The food that you eating pretty, girl. What it have in it? They like how it take. They like how it fat.
You like how it do what? What you talk about? What you talk about? Nadia, what? Nadia, what are you talking about?
Somehow we have it natural.
What you are talking about? What are you talking about? Miss Nadia? And the line of fatty, this is the long line of fatty a while ago, people. And I, yo, what? Let go.
Ride it, stay right it, stay right it. And tell me how my bumper looking. Fat, me pocket. Fat, when I push it. Fat,
I know one thing for sure now. You see, after this video ended, like when they finish recording this video, not even the video itself, every scene, they have to take like a 2-hour break before they shoot the next scene, because everybody tired. Let go.
again. How my bumper looking. Fat, me pocket. Only me to me back a me. Anytime. Fling it up. If you watch at me proper, you go see what I see. That me mother did make a pretty.
I'm not doing that today. The last video I did this in the video was 17 minutes long. People check out Tafari Freak official music video reaction on the channel, people. That video is drama. I am not doing this today. I am going to talk. I am not going to be speechless. I must motivating myself. But people, if you still watching to that part, please like the video. Like the video and have some comments on the thoughts on this music video right here. So this is my first time ever watching this video or hearing this song. Go on.
Oh, you are gonna sit down there. Oh, believe down there.
Let's just say that I see why y'all like soca, why y'all like carnival so much, why y'all like the music so much. Miss Fee, nothing couldn't easy. Just know some me find out a little trick now. Me see what I go on right there, so. Happy birthday to you, but me see what I go on right there, so. Go on.
Ride it, stay right it, stay right it, stay right it. And tell me how my bumper looking. Fat, me pocket. Fat, when I push. Fat, tell me again how my bumper looking. Tell me back a me. Fling it up.
You know what? Me and left for the writer, so people, thanks for checking out my video. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs reaction. Boss, hope you enjoy that video. You understand me? So the next week when I Soca, if I Soca video alone, you know, watch next week Thursday, big up for myself, but tune in every day, you know, post every day phone over here. So me gone. But after day if we go start. Check out my interview tonight at 7:30. You understand me? On the Caribbean Jam radio station. You see me I say? Big up on yourself. I'm out.